So this is a job that you really prefer not to have to do. I've got the heat blanket out here on this NST build that I've been working on, and we had a little problem with the back glue up, so I'm using my opener knives to seam ripper this thing and get the back disglued from the rim. And we've gotten it most of the way off there, as you can see. So I've just got this last little seam to do. You always end up hitting some braces in your... Oh, there it goes. Okay, there it goes. Almost. Oh, there it goes. Hit a brace. So, all right. Turn this heat blanket off. Drop that down, and there goes. There's the back. So I got a big separation in the seam there. Another big separation down there. The thing is now basically warped convex, the exact opposite way that you want it to be arched. So this back is compromised. The rim and the body can all be salvaged, and I mean I just need to clean off this glue and rim sand it again, make sure it's all nice and pretty for the seamless back to rim glue joint, and then I'm going to brace a new mahogany back for it. Dave's book matching one right now that'll match this one. It's the same board, and then we're going to just get this one back one step, just hitting the rewind button, and yeah, this is the NST rim. Yeah, something happened when we glued the back on there, and the neck angle wasn't exactly the way we want it, so a little disassembly and reassembly. Now looks like it's in all square condition, so back to the back drawing board on this one.